Hi and welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the integration of the PhonePe Payment Gateway into your Bagisto store. It's a simple way to offer your customers a secure way to pay, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. Before we jump in, just a quick note. PhonePe Payment Gateway is supported by default in Bagisto. If you haven't installed the platform yet, you can find a link in the description below to get you started. The integration is a simple two-step process. Step 1. Configure PhonePe Payment Gateway. Step 2. A quick checkout test. First, let's head to the admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Configure and then navigate to Payment Methods. Scroll down until you see PhonePe Payment Gateway. Go ahead and enable the status. You can customize the title and description so your customers know exactly what to expect at checkout. You can also upload a logo here to keep your branding consistent. To link your account, you'll need your credentials from the PhonePe Business dashboard. Under Developer Settings, you'll find your client ID and client secret. Copy those over to the corresponding fields in Bagisto. Remember to enter your merchant ID. Now for the step 2, making sure everything works perfectly. We'll go to the storefront, pick a product and head to the checkout. After entering the shipping and billing details, simply select PhonePe Payment Gateway as the preferred payment method and click Place Order. The system will securely redirect you to the PhonePe checkout page. From here, your customer can verify the amount and choose to pay via UPI or by scanning the QR code with the app. It's a very smooth and intuitive process. Once successful, an order ID is generated and you are all set. And that's it. Your store is now ready to accept PhonePe payments. Thank you for watching.